Machine art was made by me today, just like I did back then. Whatever we want to call it, the whole thing. The karaoke machine is equipped with a memory card slot, USB connectivity, and a convenient search function, and it also features an impressive RGB lighting effect. And of course there is also this wood look here. We took the black model. And yes, I'm curious about what is actually inside here. I believe that you can certainly approach it this way as well. This is a detailed overview of how it ultimately appears in its entirety. A little bit of speaker is felt. Has also
An advanced synthetic leather replica grip designed so that
we can carry the whole thing. Makes a pretty solid impression so far. Here we have space to use a tablet or phone elsewhere with the screen and text. And up here I can also show that we will theoretically store the microphones. They just fit right in there. We can also bring in a second one again. So, and they are precisely just like that, exhibiting the very same qualities and characteristics that define them. We can also feel free there. I'll grab a microphone from the stand and check that out thoroughly. And then we will take a closer look to determine if there is any validity or substance to the idea. But for the time being, that reasoning makes sense on its own, given the context and circumstances surrounding the situation. And then we have the fashion feature here. Bluetooth mode, exactly for Bluetooth. I'm afraid that's not possible at the moment because I just connected my device for recording, so we can't proceed with that. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. It doesn't respond because no SD card is inserted. So we can choose to continue here with the music or simply take the original pause instead. All of that information is included here too. Ultimately that sums it all up, and it can be utilized quite easily with minimal effort. I'll turn you up a bit more here. Sound quality is good. We still have an equalizer mode here. We can then thoughtfully incorporate some playful elements as it ultimately comes down to personal taste. And when I increase the echo effect, I then find myself saying, well, oh, here in this moment. So, yes, and ultimately that is truly all there is. And for many people, it's a fun party gag accessory, or simply an incredibly amusing item that brings joy to the entire travel community.